Chapter number 5, Our Body Organ System. Hello students, I'm Faram Goswami, your science teacher, and I'm again back with one more organ system to explain. In my previous videos, you have seen digestive system and respiratory system. Now here is circulatory system. So students, circulatory system helps to transport gases and digested food throughout the body. Heart, blood and blood vessels together form the circulatory system. What are the blood? Blood is a straw-colored liquid that flows inside blood vessels and acts as a medium to carry water, nutrients and vital gases inside the body. The heart. Are you able to see? The heart is pumping. Yes, this is your heart, student. It is a muscular organ, also known as the pumping station of our body. It contracts and relaxes to pump blood to all parts of the body. See, the contracts and relax, continuous process going on in the heart. So, the one completion, contraction and relaxation of heart muscles is called our heartbeat. What are the blood vessels? The blood vessels are thin tubes that allow blood to flow through the body. Arteries, veins and capillaries are the three kinds of blood vessels that form a network throughout the body. Here you can see the parts of the circulatory system, heart and blood vessels containing bloods. The next system is excretory system. Organ system is excretory organ system. Many processes and functions are continuously taking place inside our body. As a result, waste is also produced. The excretory system is the organ system that removes waste from the body. There are many different kinds of waste that a body is produced. And these waste are solid waste, liquid waste and gaseous waste. Solid waste, the digestive system is forming the solid waste. The feces are the solid waste and then throughout by the digestive system. The liquid waste is in the form of the sweat and urine and it is thrown out by the skin and kidneys. The gaseous waste in the form of carbon dioxide and water vapor and thrown out from the lungs. Now the organs which help in the excretion of waste as urine is from the excretory system. We are having two kidneys. These kidneys are either side of the abdomen present in our body. They are reddish brown in color and bean-shaped organ which help in the formation of urine. Kidneys filter our blood and convert waste into the urine. So the urine will go to the ureters. Ureters are the pair of tubes. You can see the yellow tubes with both the kidneys connected that carry urine from the kidneys to the urinary bladder. There are valves in the ureters that prevent urine from flowing back towards the kidneys. Urinary bladder. Urinary bladder is a hollow bag-like organ which store urine till urination. Urethra. You can see the down part from where the urine is throwing out of the body is urethra, is an opening in the urinary bladder through which urine is thrown out of the body. The parts of the excretory systems are kidney, ureter, bladder and urethra. So for our healthy kidney, we need to drink plenty of clean water every day. Organs performing similar kinds of functions for the body together to form an organ system. Here is our human body. Students, this is your activity to make a mind map like this. Here a human body have body part. How many parts? Head, leg, arm, shoulder, waist, calf, etc. And human body also have body organs, body systems and body illnesses also. So students, you need to make a mind map for the body organ system, and with that you need to clarify all the organs which are helping in forming the organ system. Thank you students. Any question you can ask me in the session. Bye bye.